Okay, all right. Thank you for being part of this video. It is my pleasure to share some important tips to you on how to overcome your negators. First of all, I would like to explain what negator means and how to overcome this negator. Negator simply means something that is holding you back. Negator means the word negator comes from the word negativity. Negativity. Something that is holding you back, something that is discouraging you, something that is making you to feel you are not good, something that is making you feel that you can't do something that is making you think that you cannot achieve something great in life. So these are some of the meaning of negator. Negator means negativity. Negator simply means negativity. Anything that is discouraging you, anything that is trying to weigh you back from achieving success, anything that is making you, that is hurting, anything that is hurting your progress, those things are your negators. So anything that is trying to hold you back, you are trying to move forward and there is something trying to hold you back from moving forward, or something that serves as an obstacle, something that serves as a predicament in your progress, in your life, in your journey, in your career. Those are some of the negators that you need to work on, and you need to crush on your negators if you want to move forward. Because if you don't crush on your negators, there is no how you can move forward, there is no how you can proceed, there is no how you can progress. And that is the reason why I would like to talk about negators today. I think you have been able to know the meaning of negator. Negator is just like your enemy. Negator is your clear enemy. And these negators, it could be something around your environment, it could be a place where you live, it could be people around you. Even sometimes negator, you can be your own negator. You can be the person trying to hurt your progress, your success, and your growth. You might be the one hurting yourself. You might be the one shooting yourself in the leg. You might be the one trying to prevent yourself from moving forward. So now that you have been able to understand what negator is, the next thing is to think of how you can overcome negator. Negator, if it is people around you that are trying to militate against your progress, so you need to learn how to behave with them. You need to learn how to cope with your negativity. You need to learn how to cope with your negativity. If it is people that are related to you, so all you need to do is just to reduce the level of your exposure with them. So if you normally see them 3, 4, 5 times in a week before, you reduce it to 2. When you get to them and they begin to talk about negativity, they begin to talk about how things will not work in your life, they begin to suggest something that will not make you to move forward, you just keep quiet and you make sure you have control over your own thoughts. So now, if the negators, if they are people that you can avoid, maybe they are your peers, your friends, your people that you know outside your family. It could be your friend, your colleagues, your old childhood friends, and so many, or maybe some people that you met in the university, or your co-workers, colleagues, or you know them in the neighborhood. So you should try to avoid these negators. The best way to avoid them is to keep yourself busy. When you keep yourself busy from people that are trying to weigh you down, from people that are discouraging you, from people that don't want you to move forward, you will discover that you are going to achieve more, and you will be motivated you will gain more energy, you will achieve more momentum, so to do whatever you wanted to do in life. You know that some friends, the only thing they advise you to do is how to go to the beer parlor, how to go and drink, how to go and carry babes, how to go and party, go to club. They don't have anything good. They don't have anything good to discuss with you. So some of those things, they are people that you need to avoid in your life, because if you don't try to avoid them, or you don't try to limit the way you you expose yourself to them, definitely they are going to affect your success. They are going to affect your growth. They are going to affect your journey. So that is why you need to be very careful with this type of people. So if it is if it is environment, assuming you are in a very bad environment, the environment where that is full of thuggery, full of bandits, full of very rough people, people without mission, people without people that lack the attitude of a successful people. So you need to see everything possible to make sure you avoid them. So, and try to have control. You need to have control over your life, over your journey, over whatever you do, and that is how to overcome your negators and be focused on things that will make you to be successful in life.